Very good morning to you all, my dear students. So today we will start up with the book exercises of the lesson which we covered up in our previous class. I hope that you remember the lesson which we covered up in the last class. That was, uh, I'm giving you a clue. So first of all, you recognize it. Yes, you have recognized it well. This is the four magicians, right? So today we will be doing the exercises of the chapter, the four magicians. So here in the chapter, let me make you recall the story first before moving on to the book exercises. That was the lesson related to a tale which was, told by Vetal to the king Vikramaditya. And this was the story of four brothers where their parents died and they had to move to their uncle's place, and then they had to do some efforts for their good livelihood, for their better livelihood, right? So then what did they do? They learned a magic. They learned how to do some particular actions, and by those actions, what did they do? They developed, they created an animal, and with their own spells. So finally they put life in that animal, and uncertainly that animal was lion, and who is, everyone knows that, who is quite a giant animal. So then what did that do? So he ate all those four brothers. There in this story, they didn't use their common sense. They learned the skills, but they didn't use their common sense. Before filling the life, they should have given it a thought that what would happen if he would be alive with the life, like, right? So this was the story of that lesson, the four magicians. So now let's move on to the exercises. I hope you are able to answer the questions correctly on your own, but still I am going to help you out for with their own spells. So finally they put life in that animal, and uncertainly that animal was lion, and who is, everyone knows that, who is quite a giant animal. So then what did that do? So he ate all those four brothers. There in this story, they didn't use their common sense. They learned the skills, but they didn't use their common sense. Before filling the life, they should have given it a thought that what would happen if he would be alive with the life, like, right? So this was the story of that lesson, the four magicians. So now let's move on to the exercises. I hope you are able to answer the questions correctly on your own, but still I am going to help you out for doing those answers. So let's get started. So here we have exercise A1, that is, say whether the following sentences are true or false. Rewrite the false ones correctly. So here you are to judge whether the sentence is correct or incorrect, and then if it is incorrect, you need to rewrite the correct ones. So the first one is, after their parents died, the four were taken care by their uncles. So the answer of this question is false, because they were taken care by their uncles only for short period of time. Later on, they were not getting good concentration by their uncles. So here is the answer for this. So next we have, the brothers decided to learn magic because they were interested in learning magic. So here what is the sentence? Is it true or false? It is not true, because they didn't want to learn the magic by their interest. Rather, they were bound to learn magic because they wanted to earn livelihood, right? Better livelihood, I should say. So here it is again false. So then the third one is the lion ate all the brothers at one go. Again it is a false statement because the lion did not eat them at one go, rather it ate them one by one, right? So here the next one is the moral of the story is that knowledge is more important than common sense, whereas it is exactly the opposite case. The moral of the story is that common sense is more important than knowledge, right? So then fourth one is the brother knew that the bones that were lying scattered belonged to a lion. Is it correct? No, it's false again. They didn't know the bones were a lion's, right? Then sixth one is Vital could not go back to his tree because Vikramaditya gave the incorrect answer. So again here it is false because Vital went back to his tree because Vikramaditya gave the correct answer. Then next one we have exercise A2, which is complete the following sentences in your own words. So now here let's take up the first sentence. The children had to go to live with their maternal grandfather because their parents died, right? So here then second one is to deal with the problem that they were facing at their uncle's house, they decided to master some skills that would help them to earn livelihood. So then next one is the first brother returned with the knowledge of covering the bare bones of any animal with the right kind of flesh, right? Scattered bones with the flesh. Then next is the second brother learnt how to add skin and hair of the animal after the flesh has been added to the bones. Then fifth one is the third brother could now create limbs of the animal whose bones have been clothed with the skin. So now here the sixth one we have the fourth brother was skilled in breathing life into an animal that has been covered with flesh and skin. So next one is the brothers collected the bones of animals for what purpose they collected the bones? To display their knowledge to one another, right? Whatever skills they learnt. And then next one is the brothers have been called foolish because, so now we are to complete this sentence, because they had knowledge but no common sense. So now here next one is exercise A3, that is answer the following question in your own words as briefly as possible. So here the first one is why were Krishna Swami's children left penniless? So what is the reason why Krishna Swami's children were left penniless? So here they were left penniless because their greedy relatives tricked them out of their property when Krishna Swami and his wife died, right? So this was the answer for question number 1. So now second one is this kind treatment began to wane. What does this refer to? So now here the answer is this refers to the kind treatment and care the orphaned sons of Krishna Swami received from their uncles. So here this refers to the kind of treatment and care that the orphaned sons, what do you mean by orphaned sons? Those who do not have their parents are called orphans, right? So orphaned sons of Krishna Swami received by their uncles. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. So now here question number 3 is, who was responsible for the death of 4 brothers? Why? What do you think? Who was responsible for the death of 4 brothers? Definitely the one who put life into that animal, right? So then the 4th brother was responsible for their death. Even after knowing that the animal was a dangerous lion, he breathed life into it. So now he was responsible, right? Then we have exercise B1. Match the following words from the story with their opposites. So now you are to match the following words with their antonyms, right? So now here we have column A and here we have column B. So here the first one is discover, and then we are to match it with the correct one, and here the answer for first one is conceal. Discover is to clear the things, to open up a fact, and here conceal is to hide a fact, right? So discover is the opposite of conceal. So then the second one is scattered. Scattered is something which is not related, which is separated kind of, scattered or tattered kind of, not in good condition. So then we need to find out the matching word for it, that is not matching, antonyms matching for it. Of scattered is gathered, right? As in scattered means something which is not together, so and gathered is collectively. So then third one is present, past. Fourth one is planned, unplanned, very easy. Clothed, undressed, and then added, removed, and then mutter, shout. Mutter is speaking slowly, shouting is speaking quite loudly. So then next one is display, that is hide, right? To display, to hide something. So here we have exercise B, that is replace the words in red with the words given in the box and rewrite the sentence. Here is the box, and now here are the sentences which the words which you are seeing in color red. So you need to change these words with the with any of these words which are given in the box. So let's read out the first sentence. Both Krishna Swami and his wife passed away while children were still young. So you need to replace passed away. So passed away means died. So here you would be taking up died instead of passed away. Then second one is the boys were left penniless. So penniless is in red color, so we need to change it with any of the word. So that is, it should be without money, right? So it should be without money, okay? And then next one is this kind treatment started to wane. So now you are to change the word wane. So here you would be changing it and replacing it with the word lesson, right? Lesson is to decrease something, not that lesson of chapter kind of. So here it is to decrease. This is LESSEN. So then next fourth one is the brother reached their grandfather's house after a hard journey. So now here you can use the word tiring instead of hard, right? So next we have the sentence 5, that is the brothers sat together thinking about how to end this pathetic situation. So here you need to change the word pathetic, and for this you would be getting the word sad. So then they decided that it would be best if they acquired magic powers. So now here the word acquired would be replaced, and then you would be writing it down. Gained, learned something, gained something. We should master some skills which will help us to earn a living. So now instead of master, you would be writing down learn, and instead of earn a living, you would be writing down survive, right? So here was the exercise B2. Now move on to the exercise B3, that is complete the spelling of these words and rewrite them in the space provided. So here we have these words where some alphabets are missing. So you need to complete them. First one is relatives. The second one is penniless. The third one is very easy, magician. The fourth one again is very easy, knowledge. One is discussion. And then sixth one we have is scattered. And then seventh one we have is appointed. And then eighth one we have is pathetic, right? So with this we have completed exercise B3 even. So now next we, not yet completed. So here you need to continue with the same exercise. That is, now this word we have, that is muttered, and then you have the 10th word which is ferocious, and then the 11th word, that is acquired, and then 12th word you have is mutual, and then 13th word you have is guilty, and 14th word you have is benefit, and then 15th word you have is realize, right? So with this your exercise B3 is completed. So now here B4, that is fill in the blanks with appropriate words from the list given below. So here is the list, and now here are the fill-ups. Hari wears the shirts which have been dashed to him by his brother, which have been passed on to him, right? The teacher dashed Rahul and gave the prize to Geeta. The teacher passed over Rahul. And then third one is the room was too stuffy that the room was so stuffy that Sheila passed out. The lady passed around the photograph among the people sitting in the lounge. Fifth one is the little boy wore a yellow dress to pass off as a banana as competition in school. So next we have we dashed the town of Mathura. We passed by the town of Mathura when we were going to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Many people passed over the injured man on the road without trying to help him. So then eighth one is the police caught a thief trying to pass off as a lawyer. Ninth one is Vivek pass on the salt, said Sarla. Then 10th one, Sandeep passed out as soon as he saw the bleeding deer, right? So here was exercise B4. Now we have C1, that is, here is a list of words in the simple past tense form. Change them into past continuous tense and then make sentences with them. So now here you have the words wrote, was, writing. So continuous form of it would be was writing, and talked, was talking. So here first of all the sentence of this, my mother was writing a letter to her friend last night. You may write the sentence on your own. Then next one is talked, was talking. So here walked, was walking. Fourth is milked, was milking. Fifth is ran, then is was running. Slept would change into was sleeping. Drank was drinking. Washed was washing. Drew was drawing. Helped you out for making past continuous form of these verbs. So now I expect you to make the sentences of your choice on your own without my help, and you all can do it. So now next we have exercise C2, that is from meaningful sentences in the past continuous tense using the sentence parts in the table below. So now here you have this table, and then subject is given, action is given, and then you need to find out in progress or not in progress, and then other parts of the sentence. So you need to make meaningful sentence. So here I have made the sentences for you. You may refer these sentences, right? So no need to explain these sentences, right? So now let's move on to the next one, that is choose the correct form of the verb from the bracket to complete the sentence below. So here are the sentences where you need to choose the correct form of the verb. So here your knowledge of tenses would be judged. So here India won freedom from the British in 1947. Then second is the street was burning like a furnace before it rained. Sarita was watering the plants when I went to her home. Then next is when the engine caught fire, the pilot jumped out of the plane. Newton was not reading a book when an apple fell on his head. So then next one is rewrite the following sentences as question in past continuous. The girl was dancing. The girls were dancing. Were the girls dancing? The boy was climbing a tree. Was the boy climbing a tree? Anil's mother was cooking dinner when the doorbell rang. Was Anil's mother cooking dinner when the doorbell rang? So then the cap seller was sleeping when the monkey stole his caps. Was the cap seller sleeping when the monkey stole his cap? We have Rihanna was hiding under the bed when her violin teacher came. Was Rihanna hiding under the bed when her violin teacher came? So next one we have, we were watching a bird when a cricket got into my shirt. Here cricket is not referring to that cricket sport, right? Here cricket is referring to an insect. Were we watching a bird when a cricket got into my shirt? So with this we complete all the exercises of book. So next I'll come up with another video. Till then, stay connected. Thank you.